Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Before you board, unlock your phone with your carrier so it accepts a foreign SIM card and eSIM profiles. Confirm network compatibility, GSM versus CDMA, and 4G/5G bands. Check battery health and bring a 20,000 mAh power bank plus a USB-C cable and universal travel adapter rated for 100-240V. Backup contacts and download offline maps, saving about 1 GB of essential data, and caching directions for at least 30 days to avoid early roaming charges. Decide between a local prepaid SIM, an eSIM plan, or your carrier's roaming pass. Local SIMs often cost 0 with 520 GB. eSIMs sell 1 GB to 20 GB for 790 days. Roaming passes can be 0 daily or 0 for a 7-day regional plan. On arrival, enable airplane mode, insert the new SIM, or install the eSIM. Then turn on Wi-Fi calling and tethering only on secure networks. Use messaging apps over Wi-Fi to minimize per-minute charges. Protect yourself. Set roaming data off by default, disable automatic updates, and turn off background data to avoid surprise charges. Install your carrier or eSIM app and monitor usage, setting a 500 MB alert or a hard data cap in the app. Use a reputable VPN on public Wi-Fi, disable banking apps on untrusted networks, and log out of accounts after use. Keep receipts for SIM purchases, store the original SIM card safely, and verify roaming rates before billing cycles reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.